No, I won't touch the snail ever because I'm immortal. I will be immortal to the day I die.
Your first day will be the best one then. Victory royals.
I returned.
They're flirting with me, Michaela.
What the f- no, but if I do, there you go. There's Grunkle stay. Slash clear. Cool. That was the wrong command. Everyone pretend we're gonna
Put in the work, put in the hours, and
take what's yours. Oh, hours. Is that the line?
Yeah. It's we stay hungry, not I stay hungry.
I should have. I'm communist, man. I should have known. The audience screams, "Oh, it's time for a pop quiz! I hope you brought your keyboard." I did. This one's an essay question. Frank. Shut up, everyone! Shut up. Among Us. Hold on, I got this. I'm a seagull, I'm a professional. Oh, I'm a seagull, I know how to fly. No, god dang it. Hold on. You're toxic. Jump off. Oh, my wings are not on. Oh my god,
Did you die?
Act. Extremely agile, cup of water. Bomb, boom, defused, bomb defused. Got it. Professional. I can go defuse bombs in real life. There's quite a few good Christmas songs. But I haven't thought of like a Nintendo Switch broken name. Bim bam do bitch.
Nerd, bookworm, I'm studious. From my cerebral cortex to my gluteus.